Hello everyone, welcome to Study to Light. This is second weekly test of April month, and in this test we will see questions from 20th of April till 26th of April. And this test will help you to test your progress throughout the week. It will test your weaknesses and then it will help you to revise all the weekly current affairs which are most important and are most probably to be asked in any exam. And it will help you and provide you opportunity for self improvement, work on your weaknesses, and then emerge as much more stronger in your current affair portions than before. And before we move ahead, everyone should take a page and a pen and mark each questions on your answer set, and then at the end when we will match the answers, count your correct answers and then write the total number you got in the test in the comment section. Even if it is low, write it in the comment section. It will boost your confidence, and in the later weeks you will work hard to improve your marks. So write in the comment section. And in this test I have taken 36 questions. So out of this 36, whatever your score is, write in the comment. Let's begin. The first question. Operation Green not aims to stabilize prices of. These are the options. Read the option carefully. Mark your answer. Next question. Kisan Rath mobile app has been developed by. These are the options. Option A WWF, or B Niti Aayog, or C both A and B in collaboration, or D NIC. Next question. Forest Right Act was passed in. So in which year Forest Rights Act was passed? These are the options. Read the option carefully. Mark your answer. Next question now. Under which article of the Constitution President's rule can be invoked in a state? So President rule can be invoked in by which article of the Constitution? These are the articles. Which is the correct answer? Mark it. Next question. Which Earth size and habitable zone planet found hidden in early NASA Kepler data? Again, this question might be tough, but we have seen it. These are the options. Read the options carefully. Mark it. Next question. Fuel cell converts. These are the lists. It might be confusing. Read the options. I am giving it time. Fuel cell converts. Next question now. Matterhorn mountain is located in. These are the options. Read the options. Mark the answer. Next question. Coronaviruses have a blank as their genetic material. These are the options. Either it is single stranded RNA, double strand RNA, triple strand RNA, or none of the above. Next question now. Dapo Rizo Bridge has been built across, whether it is Tista River, Barak River, Subansiri River, or Son River. Mark your answer. Next question. What is West Texas Intermediate? Whether it is a company, stealth frigates, or a fighter jet, or it is crude oil. Mark your answer again. Next question. India has been ranked at blank in the Global Press Freedom Index. So what is the rank of India in Global Press Freedom Index? Next question. The Kasowal Bridge recently built by BRO over which river? These are the lists. Read the options, whether it is Brahmaputra, Ganga, Ravi, or Gandak. Next question. India has a strategic crude oil storage facilities at Padur, Mangalore, Visakhapatnam, or at all of the above. Which is the correct option? Next question. Which disease is also known as hog cholera? These are the options. Read the option carefully. Mark your answer. Next question. Governor of a state has power to issue ordinances under which article of the Constitution? These are the list of articles. Read the articles and then mark your answer. Next question. The famous verdict of Indra Savne case was given in whether it is 1990, 1992, 1994 or 1996. Next, Education for Justice initiative belongs to whether World Economic Forum, World Bank, UN Environment or UN Office on Drugs and Crimes. Next question now. Prime Minister Award for Excellence in Public Administration is given on. These are the list of days. The award is given on which day of April? Next question. Sujalam Suflam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan is associated with which state? These are the list of state, whether it is Gujarat, Bihar, Odisha or UP. Next, Iran's first military satellite has been named as whether Noor, Sur, Chand or Balu. Next question now. Who won Chinese Virtual Grand Prix? These are the list, whether it is Charles Leclerc, Lewis Hamilton, Alex Albon or Sebastian Vettel. Mark your answer. Next question. Who has been appointed as a member of National Science Board of United States of America? These are the list. Read the options and then mark your answer. Next question. Aptamitra. Aptamitra, which is a mobile application to guide on COVID-19, launched by which state? Whether it is Karnataka, Telangana, Maharashtra or Tamil Nadu. Next question. International Day of Multilateralism and Diplomacy for Peace is observed on whether it is on 26th of April, 25th of April, 24th of April or 23rd of April. Next question. Bekaa Valley is located in whether it is located in Iran, India, Lebanon or Afghanistan. Next question now. Commodity Markets Outlook is released by WTO, World Economic Forum, OECD or World Bank. Next question. The first United Nations Chinese Language Day was observed in. So when was the first UN Chinese Language Day celebrated? These are the list of options. Mark your answer. Next, which is the largest quarantine center in the country? Whether it is Narela Quarantine Center or Jodhpur Quarantine Center, Manesar Quarantine Center or none of the above. Next question now. Who has been elected as brand ambassador of Cricket Kingdom? These are the options, whether Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Jasprit Bumrah or KL Rahul. Next question now. IUCN Red List categorizes leather-backed turtles as whether extinct, critically endangered, endangered or vulnerable. Next question now. Which country is the largest consumer of pet coke in the world? Whether China, India, US or Russia. Next question. Which state became the first state to geotag community kitchens? These are the list of states. Mark your answer again. Next question now. According to the standards set by WHO, a hand sanitizer should consist of what percentage of alcohol? This is the minimum percentage that should be required in the hand sanitizer. These are the options. Read the option carefully and mark your answer again. Next question. Which disease has been termed as silent and silenced disease? Whether it is classical swine fever, COVID-19 or Chagas disease or Spanish flu. Read the option carefully, recall what you have read and then answer. Next question now. World Health Day is celebrated on. These are the list of days, whether it is April 22, April 21st, April 20th or April 19th. Read the options and then answer. Next question and the last question. What are centaurs? Whether it is asteroids between Neptune and Saturn, asteroids between Neptune and Earth, asteroids between Neptune and Jupiter, or asteroids between Mercury and Venus? Mark your answer. Now let's match the answers. So count answers and write your answers, that how many score you are getting out of 36. So let's begin. Operation Green not aims to stabilize prices of pumpkin, as Operation Green targets on tops, that is tomato, onion and potatoes. Next, Kisan Rath mobile app has been developed by National Informatics Center. So here D will be the right option. Forest Rights Act was passed in, we have seen that it is passed in 2006, that is 2006. Next question, under which article of the Constitution President's rule can be invoked in a state? So under Article 356 of the Indian Constitution, President's rules can be invoked. So here A is the right answer. Next question, which Earth-size habitable zone planet found hidden in early NASA Kepler data? So it is Kepler 1649c. So here A is the right answer for question number 5th. Question number 6th, fuel cell converts, so it converts chemical energy into electrical energy. So option B will be the right option for question number 6. Now question number 7, Matterhorn mountain is located in, so it is located in Switzerland. So here B is the right answer. Question number 8, coronavirus have a blank as their genetic material. So they have single stranded RNA. So here A is the right answer. Question number 9, Doparizo Bridge has been built across, so Doparizo Bridge has been built across Subansiri River in the state of Assam. So here C is the right answer. 10th question, what is West Texas Intermediate? So West Texas Intermediate is a crude oil. So here D is the right answer. 11th question, India has been ranked at blank in the Global Press Freedom Index. So India has been ranked at 142nd in this index. So here C is the right answer. Question number 12, the Kashoval Bridge recently built by BRO under which river? So it has been built on Ravi River. So C is the right answer here. Next question, India has a strategic crude oil storage facilities at? Here all of the above is the right answer. India has a strategic crude oil facilities at Padur, Mangalore and Visakhapatnam. Next, 14th, which disease is also known as hog cholera? So here none of the above will be the right answer, as classical swine fever is known as hog cholera. So D is the right answer for question number 14th. Question number 15th, governor of a state has power to issue ordinance under Article 213 of the Constitution. So here C is the right answer. Next, the famous verdict of Indira Savne case was given in the year of 1992. So here B is the right answer for 16th. 17th question now, Education for Justice Initiative belongs to UN Office on Drugs and Crimes. So here D is the right answer for question number 17th. 18th now, Prime Minister Award for Excellence in Public Administration is given on, so this award is given on 21st of April, as on this very day Civil Services Day is celebrated. So here A is the right answer. Next, Sujalam Suflam Jal Sanchay Abhiyan is associated with the state of Gujarat. So here A is the right answer for question number 19th. 20th now, Iran's first military satellite has been named as Noor. So here A is the right answer for 20th. 21st, who won Chinese Virtual Grand Prix Award or competition? So this has been won by Charles Leclerc. So here A is the right answer. 22nd, who has been appointed as a member of National Science Board of United States of America? So it is Sudarshanam Babu. He has been chosen as the third Indian in this National Science Board of USA. Next, Aptha Mitra, which is a mobile application to guide on COVID-19, has been launched by Karnataka state. So here A is the right answer for 23rd. 24th now, International Day of Multilateralism and Diplomacy for Peace is observed on. So this day is observed on 24th of April. So here C is the right answer. Next, Bekaa Valley is located in, so Bekaa Valley is located in Lebanon, which is a Middle Eastern country, and this Bekaa Valley is famous for cultivation of cannabis. We have seen that, cannabis or marijuana. Next question, commodity market outlook is released by, so this commodity market outlook is released by World Bank. So here D is the right answer. And next question, the first UN Chinese Language Day was observed in 2010. So here B is the right answer. Next question, which is the largest quarantine center in the country? So largest quarantine center is Narela Quarantine Center. So here A is the right answer. Next question, who has been elected as brand ambassador of Crick Kingdom? So Rohit Sharma has been the ambassador of Crick Kingdom. Next question, IUCN Red List categorizes leatherback turtles as, so leatherback turtle has been categorized as vulnerable. So D is the right answer for question number 30. 31st, which country is the largest consumer of pet coke in the world? So India is the largest consumer. So B is the right answer for question number 31st. 32nd now, which state became the first state to geotag community kitchens? So it is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh government has tagged it with the help of Google. So A is the right answer for 32nd. 33rd, according to standards set by WHO, hand sanitizer should consist of 60 to 70% of alcohol. So D is the right answer for 33rd. 34th question, which disease has been termed as silent and silenced disease? So Chagas disease, which is also known as American trypanosomiasis, is known as silent and silenced disease. So here C is the right answer. 35th, World Earth Day is celebrated on April 22nd. So here A is the right answer for 35th. Last question, Centaurs is, so Centaurs are group of asteroids between Neptune and Jupiter. So here C is the right answer. So write your total scores in the comment section, and don't forget to share these videos with your friends and like this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to the channel. Wait for the upcoming test. Until then, stay at your home, stay safe. Thanks a lot.